Welcome to an exclusive home tour brought to you by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance. My name is Gerald.
And I'm Agnes. Today we are thrilled to unveil a magnificent property at 3 Hillside Terrace in Kovan, District 19.
This is no ordinary house. It's a masterpiece of luxury living. With a generous built-up area of approximately 4,800 square feet, this property boasts 6 elegant ensuite bedrooms.
As you step inside, you will be captivated by the modern architectural design that exudes elegance and charm.
The interior offers a seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere.
Natural light flows through the sky well, accentuating the exquisite craftsmanship and meticulous attention to details.
Venture upstairs to discover 6 ensuite bedrooms. The master bedroom is uniquely designed, with the others featuring spacious layouts and attached bathrooms.
The master bedroom features a luxurious ensuite bathroom with modern fixtures. It even includes a private balcony at the side.
On the third level, you will find junior bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom, offering a peaceful retreat with ample natural light.
The attic floor is a surprise with a family entertainment area and an open roof terrace providing unblocked views of Kovan Estate, ideal for the home office or personal gym.
And let's not forget, the developer behind this gem has an impeccable track record, having delivered over 1,000 residential homes to the market, including sturdy residences, the Bentley residences at Kovan, and over 50 landed homes island-wide. They are even cooking up new developments in District 20 and District 28. That's a developer with quite the resume.
This unique Kovan Terrace is nestled in a matured estate and is surrounded by esteemed schools, including Paya Lebar Methodist Girls Primary School and Siming Primary School. It's also conveniently near to eateries, malls, and excellent connectivity to Kovan MRT.
And the best part is, this exquisite property is priced at just 5.3 million, making it the most affordable brand new freehold landed home available in the market currently.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to arrange for the exclusive home tour of this fabulous property,
do contact our listing manager Sharon at 9277 7772.
Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.